Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I sound like death, but you know, those are the vibes today. I was gonna do my spring planning vlog as, you know, the second part to my reset, but, you know, we just did not have the time during this festival moment. So we're gonna do the spring planning and the vision boarding and all of that when I get back from all of my festivals, which is May 1st or May 2nd. The first week of May is when I get back, and then we're gonna do all of the spring prep or the prep for Hot Girl Summer. Oh my God, would we love if I did like a how-to guide, prep guide of everything we need to do to prep for Hot Girl Summer, even though we're in Hot Girl Summer. Kind of just like a little Hot Girl Summer moment. Should we do that? I also wanted to thank Squarespace for sponsoring today's video. If you guys aren't familiar, Squarespace is the platform that I use to create my website. I've been using it forever. It is just the easiest way to make an entire website, super customizable. You don't have to know much about making a website to have a gorgeous website, but I will talk more about that later. For now, you know, I don't know. So you guys know my little workout routine. I've been working out 5 times a week for like the past, I don't know, since like March 1st, I've been working out 5 times a week. Since I went to Coachella that week before Coachella, I only worked out twice, and I've been sick during the week between the festivals, and I haven't worked out, so I am itching to work out. If you guys aren't aware, I'm going to Coachella weekend 2. I had planned to go to Coachella weekend 2 like years in advance. I bought the tickets, the travel package 3 years ago when they sold it, pre-sale for when we were supposed to go. But then one of my guy friends texted me for last weekend and was like, yo, you should go to weekend 1. And I was like, bet. Bought my little ticket, camped with them, so fun, have like basically bronchitis now. That's fine. Going to weekend 2. I didn't take any photos. I only took videos of the sets, like barely. It was liberating, and I really hate taking photos at Coachella. Like, it just drives me insane. It makes me feel weird. Weekend 1 is always like influencer Olympics and like people trying to be like, oh, I got into this party, I got into this party, I mean this, I have that. It's lame. If you like the music and you like the festival, weekend 2 is where it's at. I do have one after party that I want to go to, and that's only because Megan Thee Stallion is going to be performing at it, and Jen Aiko. So first thing I need to do is just hydrate, take my vitamins, and do a workout. Coconut water. I have Sammy Clark ready to go. I'm gonna do 35 minutes of booty, and then I'm gonna do like her 8-minute ab crusher. I'm on a coconut water kick because I like to have coconut water when I go to Coachella because, you know, electrolytes. But now I wanna buy it and drink it when I am home, so that's a vibe. Self-tanning routine has changed. I use 3 different, well, depends, hold on. There are 3 things that I use to self-tan, not all at the same time. These are just different moods. I use Tan-Luxe Hydra Mousse. This is if I want to leave it on overnight. I have the patience and I'm doing a full ass shower. Like, it's a whole moment. It's a self-care night. Leave this on for like 12 hours overnight. It says 6 to 10, but you know. And then I rinse it off in the morning. Bam, gorgeous. does not have any color when you apply it, doesn't stain anything, and doesn't make you smell like you have nasty ass armpits. Love. And then the other one that I use is Tan Luxe tanning water. So this is like, you spray it on, again, it's clear, you just spritz it around, you mix it with the tanning mitt, and then bam, you don't have to rinse it off, and then in like 6 hours, you have a tan. So it's like the chill girl version of that, and then the chillest girl is the gradual tan. So this is like a moisturizer that gives you gradual tan. Subtle. We're gonna use tanning water today. I already applied to my face, as you saw, gradual self-tanning moisturizer and like little drops so that my face matches my body. And I'm gonna use tanning water today because easiest. I don't have time to rinse it off because I'm gonna leave for Coachella in like a few hours, so she's the moment. Literally just water, and then you just mix it in. You want to moisturize the dry areas though, so like your elbows, your ankles, your knees. Otherwise it's gonna look patchy and weird, and you don't want to be that girly. I love my tattoos so much. I would like another one already. It's not a good time because I'm gonna be in the scorching sun for like 2 more weeks, and you're not supposed to be in the sun when you get a tattoo. So I'm really testing the limits with this girly, but you know, it is what it is. I will take the bikini off and do the rest of my body. Don't you worry, child. By the way, Swedish House Mafia's set, beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Mixed with the weekend, that was just too good. Yes, I have stretch marks. I don't want to talk about it. Born with it. I think we all have stretch marks. Do we all? I feel like we all have stretch marks. I've never met a woman without stretch marks. It's also unfair that men don't have it. It just means that asses aren't juicy, but whatever. Low key though, the lowest of keys, I liked camping. I mean, I've camped before. For my birthday in Catalina when I was like 22. I went camping in Lake Havasu. I've been camping. I've done the camping thing. But like, I love camping at Coachella. It was fun, especially if you're like with a group. It was really fun. And I just drank a lot of liquid IV and I didn't die. So, I mean, my lungs hurt now because of the dust, but you know, it's fine. Self-tan done in 6 hours. I'll be a little tanner. Ow, love that hurt me. I've had this top from Beginning Boutique for like a billion years, just waiting for the moment to wear it. Coachella's back, this is that moment. This skirt might work because it's tiny, and like that's what Coachella stands for. Okay. I brought body chains last weekend, and I loved it. So potentially another body chain moment, because I want to bling this up. This might be a day one look for Harry Styles, you know what I'm saying? Like this might be a Harry Styles moment. I have these, which I don't remember where, why, and how I got them. Okay, so I won't wear a hat. I never end up wearing hats, so why even bother? I hate that my ass is out. That's like the only problem with this. And it's not even the flattering part of the ass, it's the part that I'm trying to work on to get rid of. Like to lift this up. Whatever. Also, I have a dinner tonight. Vivian has like some Instagram dinner. I don't know. But I was thinking this dress, and I was just gonna wear white sneakers with it because I'm not trying to wear heels in Palm Springs, do you know what I'm saying? I think these emerald earrings would look so gorgeous with this dress. Do we think so? This travel jewelry case is the best thing that I ever got, but I will link it below for you guys because it is amazing. I found all my outfits. I have my Princess Polly, my backup Princess Polly, my 2 outfits. This I just found in my closet when I was trying to find a dress to wear for the drive up. Forgot I owned this, like, okay. I have 1 outfit for Stagecoach. This is number 2, and then I just have to pick a 3rd one. So like, look at us, we're ahead of schedule. Actually, if I was ahead of schedule, I would have had all of these plans in advance, but whatever. I wanted to take a second to talk about today's sponsor, which is Squarespace. You guys know I adore Squarespace. It is the platform that I use to build my website, smirabellacontact. You can peep her, I'll have the link down below, but it is just the easiest platform, I think, for building a website because you can add a shop, you can add a blog feed, you can add your Instagram feed, you can add so many things all within one platform, and you really don't need to be a genius for it. It's all super easy, drag and drop, but totally customizable. You can code if you need to. The opportunities with Squarespace are endless, and I just don't ever see myself switching platforms for my website. It's just the go-to, and it's been working for me. Let me just take you guys into my website so you can see how the customization works. Right now, we're inside the dashboard for smirabellacontact, which is the website that I'm rebranding. It is my main website, and I'm just showing you how easy it is to add sections and customize your website. What makes Squarespace so easy to use is that you can choose from all of these templates. So if you don't really know where to start, but you want to make a contact
page, a newsletter. You want to list products for your store. They have all of these templates that you can choose from, and then you can build upon them and customize them to your liking. It's very easy. It's great for beginners or people that just want to make their lives a little bit easier. I think Squarespace is the best. Another great feature of Squarespace is you can add a blog. You can add an e-commerce site. There's so many different variations that you could put on your website. It's easy to create a one-stop shop website where you can create a blog, a store, and you can really showcase all sides to your business through one website.
You guys can head on over to Squarespace to get a free trial, and then when you're ready to launch, you can go to squarespace.com/Siena Mirabella to save 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain. It is a literal disaster zone in here, and it has been for the past week. We have wipes over there that needs to be packed, but basically I'm starting to get everything packed. I always put my clothes for wherever I travel in these little packing cubes from Amazon. If I can find the link, I will link them down below, but I keep all of my like loungewear, pajamas, shit that I'm not wearing to the festival in that one, and then my Coachella outfits in that one, my little backpack, and then this is what I'm wearing to drive to the hotel. So I'm gonna meet Nassim and Vivian, and then we're gonna get ready, go to this Instagram dinner, and then yeah, Coachella tomorrow, pick up our tickets, get our hotel, I forgot to show you guys me filming the tanning reel that I had to do today. That was the before clip when I was pasty. And then I just filmed the after clip because I did self-tanner last night. So love that for me. Stop. Wattpad vibes go off. Oh, I put on my close friend story about like, I want to give you guys a juicy recap of weekend one and like camping and all that. But like I can't because we need to make a close friend story for just us because the people in my life, I don't need them to see this. So we need to come up with our own, oh my God, stop. I just actually saw that Instagram came out with a new feature, I think it's coming out, or I think it has come out, where it's basically like Patreon and you can have a close friend story for like subscribers or like Patreons. I know that's not the word that they use. Low key, what if we used that for us to just gossip about men? Like to just hear the chaotic stories in my life without the people in my life hearing about it. Do we think that would be, I think that'd be so fucking fun. I'll make it like $1 because it's really not about the coin. It's just about us getting to talk without these hoes getting in the way. Do you know what I'm saying? I think that would be so fun, and I'm so down. If you guys are down for like me to use the Instagram Patreon moment for that, you guys are my besties, and the people in real life don't deserve to hear this tea. So Coachella weekend one, juicy, very juicy. And then for Stagecoach, I'm going with Kenzie and her boyfriend Quentin, and then there is a room for another person, so I'm still toying with who that's gonna be. But yeah, I'm just going to edit this video, finish up packing, pack my car, and then just drive on out to Palm Springs. And I will post on stories all of, the weekend instead of vlogging it, because I just never take out my camera. And I don't like vlogging at Coachella. I like to enjoy Coachella, and I do not remember to take out my phone or my camera ever. So by the time you see this video, you will have seen all of my Coachella stories, so peep the Instagram.
Head to squarespace.com for a free trial, and when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/Siena Mirabella to save 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain.
Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!